This is the car that defined an era. The 1966 Pontiac GTO, known as the original muscle car, a symbol of raw American power and timeless design. Its bold stance and aggressive look captivated car enthusiasts across generations. And today, we bring you closer to this legend. The GTO's design was built for speed, but it didn't sacrifice style. Its wide, muscular body and split grille give it a unique identity. Chrome accents around the grille, headlights, and bumpers highlight its bold personality. This is a car that doesn't just move fast, it looks fast even when standing still. Under the hood lies the heart of this beast, a 389 cubic inch V8 engine with tri-power carburetors. It delivered a thunderous 360 horsepower in its prime, making the GTO a powerhouse on the road. This engine didn't just drive the car, it defined the muscle car movement. Step inside the GTO, and the performance-focused interior greets you. The bucket seats wrap you in comfort, while the wood-grain steering wheel gives you control of all that power. The Hurst shifter sits proudly between the seats, ready to deliver the power of the V8 at your command. This is where luxury meets performance. The 1966 GTO wasn't just a car, it was a movement. It was the car that cemented Pontiac's place in automotive history, setting the stage for the muscle car era that would follow. From magazines to billboards, the GTO was everywhere, making a statement on and off the track. But it wasn't just about looks, it was about sound. The deep, thunderous rumble of the GTO's V8 engine shook the streets and let everyone know that this car meant business. Even standing still, you could feel the power waiting to be unleashed. The 1966 Pontiac GTO. A car that wasn't just fast, it was a legend. An icon of American muscle, crafted to perfection, and built to last. The GTO remains a symbol of power, performance, and timeless design.